Hey beautiful, I am here with my November Stitch Fix delivery. If you do not know what Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service where you have a personal stylist based on a style profile that you take that hand picks items and they get delivered directly to you based on your frequency. So it's like you having your own personal stylist and personal shopper delivered right to your door. It's one of my favorite ways to shop. I like to get my Stitch Fixes or my fixes every single month, and this is my November Stitch Fix. So I'm gonna open it up and see what I got. Okay, so upon opening the box, I can tell I have clothes and shoes. So what Stitch Fix does is they send you 5 items in each box, and you get to pick if you want the items to be just clothes or clothing and shoes, or clothing, shoes, and accessories. And every time you receive a fix, it'll be a mixture of the items that you select. So I really love when my fixes include shoes. It's not every time that I get shoes, but they're usually some of my favorite boxes when I do receive shoes. So super excited to see that. I'm gonna open the clothes first because like I said, typically the shoes are my favorite, so we'll save the best for last. Now the other thing that Stitch Fix does is they offer a style preview where several days before your fix is about to be put together and sent to you, they will send you a list of 10 items where you get to actually go in and decide if you want any of those 10 items to be included in your box of 5. This past time, and I will say probably the last couple times if I remember correctly, I have not selected any of my preview items. So that means every item in this fix is a complete surprise. My stylist handpicked everything and I have no idea what they are. All right, first and foremost, can already tell this is an item that I'm going to keep because honestly, it is just a staple, but it is a pair of black pants. It looks like the brand is Butter Denim, and they give me the petite size. I've said this time and time again, and I imagine it will be true for this pair, which I will absolutely try on, but Stitch Fix nails my size every single time, especially with pants, because sometimes petites are too short, but regulars are too long. I have never had to hem or send back or adjust any pair of pant that Stitch Fix has sent me because they have got it right size-wise every single time. And honestly, like, this is such a staple for a wardrobe. I will definitely be keeping those. I can always use a pair of black pants. I'm surprised, honestly, that this was sent to me. It is November. Do not need a tank top in November, so I'm not wowed by it, to be honest. I don't know that I love the color, I don't love the pattern, and I'm not excited to receive a tank top in like fall. Now this I'm kind of liking. I love the color. This feels more fall for sure. It is a more of a silky top. It's got like the tied sleeves. Where did they go? I love almost like the florally pattern. I'm excited to try that one on. And then let's see. This feels so cozy. Gray, super cozy shirt. I actually might keep this because I just purchased, not from Stitch Fix, a pair of pants that this almost matches exactly as far as the color, the fabric, the texture. So I can have like a little, I use a pair of like jogger pants, so I can have like a little outfit with this. So that was actually not a bad item, but let me take a look and see if these go with Stitch Fix Pass and if the shoes happen to be my favorite. I mean, come on. Look at how cute these are. Yes. Pair of booties. I love the gray color. It's got this like texture, like these cutout lines on the front. I love the different color between the boot and like the deep wood at the base. Cannot wait to try these on. Now, the other thing Stitch Fix does is they will send you a styling card. So if you were like me and you struggle with putting outfits together, they will send you a card and suggest items on how to wear the items that they sent you. So you can put an entire outfit together. You also get a note from your stylist. My stylist for a while has been Anna. I love her. I'm gonna turn this around and see if I still have Anna. I do, okay. Super excited. Let's see what Anna has to say this time. Let's see, hi Sarah, first I snagged this blue blouse you can wear with some trousers, a short necklace, and a cardigan for a full outfit. Okay, so the blouse, she's anticipating me to pair with the cardigan for fall. Do you like the fit of this top? Next, I chose these black skinny jeans for you to wear with the top I just mentioned. So I actually love that they do that, where they will send items in the same fix that you can wear as an entire outfit. Let's see, for you to wear with the top I just mentioned, or you can add a chunky sweater and booties for a classic fall look. Yes, please. Speaking of, I pulled these gray booties I think you will love. You can wear these with a long sleeved dress and tights for a dressier look. Would you like to see more shoes in future fixes? Yes, please, Anna. I will be anticipating your feedback as always. Do you have any requests for your next fix? Best, Anna. All right, let's go try everything on. All right, so my first impressions of this top were correct. I'm not loving it. It doesn't even feel very fall to me. If I was to pair it like with a cardigan or something for fall, I just am not feeling it. So this is something that I'm not gonna keep, but honestly, that is why I love Stitch Fix, because you keep what you want, send back what you don't, and you're only charged for the items that you keep. So if you've never used Stitch Fix before, what they do is they charge a styling fee for them to put together the box for you, and that styling fee that you pay goes towards any of the items that you keep. So if you keep something, you're not out your styling fee, but you can also send back items that you don't love, and you're not charged for the items that you don't love. So it's honestly so easy to have the items sent to you, try it on, decide what you love, and send back what you don't. So this I will be sending back. Now the pants, yes, I am keeping these just as I thought. They're actually even more comfortable than I thought they would be. They definitely feel a little bit like denim on the outside, but when you put them on, they've got stretch, so they almost feel like leggings. So they wear like a legging, but they feel like a denim. So, and again, like I said, I can never have enough pair of black pants. It's just a staple, but I'll definitely be keeping these. And the shoes, I mean, come on. So cute. They're very, very comfortable. My only thing about the shoes is I actually have from I think last year a pair of boots that are almost the exact same color. So I don't know that I need them, but if we're, you know, trying to decide between a need and a want, it's such a hard decision, right? But they're super, super cute. I almost forgot to talk about the pricing. So if you like any of the items and you want to have them included in your fix and to ask your stylist for these items specifically, the tank top is Fun to Fit Eureka, I don't know if I'm saying that right, tie neck blouse in blue. This is a size small and the cost is $36. The pants are the 1822 denim winter super high rise skinny jean in black. Again, mine are the petite size and they are 44, so actually I think really affordable. And let's see what else. The shoes are the Report Footwear Granger perforated wedge booty in the shade dark gray, and they are $70. This sweater is so cozy. Again, I think it's gonna pair perfectly with those joggers that I purchased. I love this cross like stitching and detail on it. I think that adds so much to it, and so it's not just like a plain gray sweater. I actually really like that. I also think it's super flattering. So I'm definitely gonna be keeping this one. It's gonna be really nice for some cold winter and fall mornings. Now let's see the price on this one. This is the Pink Clover Hallie Tulip Hem Brushed Knit Top, and it is the shade Taupe, and this is a size small and it is $38. So also I think like really affordable as well. Okay, so if I'm being honest, I don't love the fit of this one as much as I thought I would. I'm a little bummed because I do really like the way it feels. I love the fabric. I do love the color and the pattern. I think it's super, super cute that way. And then I love how they had it delivered in my box, showing the 2 different ways to wear the sleeves. So you can cinch it and wrap it, or you can just button it here and have it more of a full length sleeve. So I like how they put that in the box to show you the different ways to style it, but on, I just don't know. Again, I like the color, I like the pattern, but I don't know that I like the way that it's wearing on me. But let's see, the pricing info for this one is the 41 Hawthorne Astrid 2 pocket blouse in the shade light green. This is a size small and it is $44. And that is my November 2021 Stitch Fix. If you are new to Stitch Fix and you've never tried it before and you would like to, I will have information in the description of this video where you can actually try Stitch Fix for the very first time, risk-free. I want to thank you so much for watching. I'm interested in your feedback. Did you agree with the items that I decided to keep? Or do you think that there were any items I should have returned or maybe change my mind and keep on? I'm interested in your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos just like this, be sure to like and subscribe for more.